स्टेटमेंट कमीशन ले रहा है ऑन ओथ। ये ऐसे ही का ऑन ओथ स्टेटमेंट नहीं है इन रिप्लाई टू द क्वेश्चंस।
ये जरा दो चीजें सामने रखें। ये दो बुक्स हैं आपके पास, एक है वॉल्यूम 1 का पेज 79 खोलिए और अफसार सबको भी सामने दिखाइए। वॉल्यूम 1 का पेज 79
जी,
और इस तरह वॉल्यूम 7 निकालिए और वॉल्यूम 7 का निकालिए पेज 1098। दोनों को कंपेयर कीजिए। एक सवाल पूछना है आपसे। 1098
सर। जी
है
सर।
आपके सामने।
जी जी।
अब कमीशन कर क्या रहा है? अब सारा आलम साहब का तो स्टेटमेंट ले रहे हैं ऑन ओथ। आगे चलिए, यहाँ जहाँ फैज का जनरल फैज का स्टेटमेंट ले रहे हैं वहाँ लिखा है स्टेटमेंट ऑफ लेफ्टिनेंट रिटायर्ड फैज हमीद। ओथ का जिक्र नहीं है। 201 पे पढ़िए। इन रिप्लाई टू द क्वेश्चंस ही स्टेटेड। अब उनको फैसिलिटेट करके उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं और जवाब ले रहे हैं उनसे, बस उनका बयान कहाँ है? Why not on oath? अब सार साहब का बयान ओथ पे क्यों ले रहे हैं, फिर उनका क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं? ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
That's right.
Look at the deeper we go into it, the more problematic it becomes. It takes up so much time. We were looking forward to a very good report by seasoned bureaucrats.
सर ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिक होगी? ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिक होगी ना आज?
नो, सर ये जो करें तो कोर्ट में तो फाइल हो गई है।
Filed it in the court.
कोर्ट से मिल जाएगा।
नहीं, हमने अभी तक इसको इंडोर्स नहीं किया है।
ओके।
तो आई डोंट वांट, मतलब ये इस पे तो मेरे ख्याल में ऑलरेडी तबसरे शुरू हो गए। कैसे हो गए, कैसे मिली है वो हमें नहीं पता।
वो ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है ना तबसरे।
ये तो कोर्ट में फाइलिंग है। आई डोंट, आर यू क्लेमिंग सीक्रेसी ऑफ दिस रिपोर्ट? इज दैट थिंग, नथिंग रियली हियर?
As far as no, there is the federal government has yet to.
But only when you adopt a report, then you can make it public. I mean, I don't know what your statement will be. You're adopting the report. If you're not adopting the report, making it public would be very strange.
Yes. So after the decision on adopting this report is taken, then the government may decide.
But देखिए, ये आपकी तरफ कोताही है। आपको चाहिए था अब तक ये काम कर चुके होते।
हो जाना चाहिए था सर।
भाई के भी, what is your view on it? But you are the Attorney General at the moment. You're not the government of Pakistan. So what is the government
My
of Pakistan?
personal view, sir, as Attorney General, is that I don't find much substance in this report. So. It is now for the federal government to see if there is any part of this report which they seek to adopt, which is actionable, on the basis of which an action can be taken, and then decide on the other parts also, and then
will come the related question of non-compliance with the judgment.
Yes.
Now,
so
please realize the consequences of that.
Yes, that part is there.
So, this is not part of a judgment. That is part of a judgment, which is no longer under review. So it has attained absolute finality. So that you have to be very clear how you want to proceed there.
That's right.
On that. And it's not an open-ended thing that we wait for another 9th May to happen. If you had been vigilant enough and acted upon it, probably 9th May would not have happened.
और लेजिस्लेटिव पार्ट अभी तक आपके गवर्नमेंट से ओमिट हो रहा है। लेजिस्लेटिव पार्ट जिसमें गवर्नमेंट ने लेजिस्लेट करना था, उस दिन तो जवाब था कि जी रिव्यू पड़े हुए थे। रिव्यू लॉन्ग
वो भी नहीं था, वो भी नहीं
था, कोई जवाब रहा नहीं।
हाँ जी, नहीं वो भी नहीं था। जजमेंट अगर सस्पेंड ना हुई हो रिव्यू में तो वो भी नहीं। चले फॉर द सेक ऑफ एक्सक्यूज अगर कहेंगे जी ठीक है रिव्यू, तो वो भी नहीं है।
जजमेंट पार्ट का सबसे
your predecessor, my lord is saying your predecessor had said that.
जी.
Why is it not being acted upon? And your predecessor had said that it's under review.
With respect, that's legally correct position.
Without going deeper into it, whether that was justifiable response or not, assuming it was, that
now that excuse
that
is
gone
there
now.
either. Yeah, वो भी excuse नहीं है sir.
अच्छा.
So I am going to, well, this is in public knowledge, but I am going to formally ask the federal government to initiate the process and place an official bill before the parliament.
इसमें लिखें pursuant to the judgment dated 6th February 2019, passed in SMC number 7 of 2017, the federal government had constituted a inquiry commission on?
Sir, on 15th of November 2023, sir.
2023, and drafted terms of reference pursuant to, as mentioned in, वो कोई notification होगी ना?
जी sir.
वो कहीं filed है?
जी, it is sir, CMA 9659, sir.
With the following terms of reference.
And then an additional term
which were added to by notification dated so and so.
जी.
ये दोनों notifications आप reproduce कर दें.
जी.
Full stop. A 3-member commission comprising of Mr. Tahir Alam Khan as member. ये retired हैं?
He retired.
Retired Inspector General of Police, Mr. Khushal Khan as member. ये भी retired हैं?
No, he's serving, sir. He's an additional secretary.
Serving additional secretary.
जी.
ये क्या पुलिस के हैं?
Sir, PAS, Administrative Service, sir.
And Dr. Syed Akhtar Ali Shah as chairman, retired Inspector General of Police.
Retired Inspector General.
Was constituted, and the commission, bracket mein kar dein commission, and the commission submitted its report on 6 March 2024, comprising of 149 pages.
Yes, sir.
Together with its attachments contained in separate volumes. Kitni volumes hain?
Sir, 7 volumes which I have filed.
All together?
7. First volume is the report, and then 7 volumes are...
All together comprising of 8 volumes.
Yes, sir.
Has been submitted. Full stop. The learned Attorney General for Pakistan, AG kar dein, ab upar AG kar dijiyega, read out the terms of reference and the respective findings on each given by the commission, as well as the recommendations, as well as the commission's '(S) recommendations. As well as the conclusion, and the commission's recommendations. Capital C kar dijiye. Full stop. In our opinion, the report does not attend to the terms of reference, the set terms of reference. Full stop. Moreover, the commission has ventured into areas which are not part of its terms of reference, and given terms of reference. Full stop.